What's going on, everyone? Today we're doing a video on the timeline of money when buying a house. I'm doing a breakdown of a $300,000 house, and we are going to go over step by step of what money is needed and when. So a lot of times people think, oh, I need all that money right away. Well, you don't need it right away, so I'm going to give you the timeline. So you just got a $300,000 offer accepted. Congratulations. Hey, what's the next step? Escrow is due within 3 days. Escrow is a good faith deposit. It is negotiated on the contract. So let's just say you said you were going to put 1% down and they accepted it. You will wire $3,000 over to the title company, which will be held in a non-interest account as a good faith deposit towards the contract. So $3,000 within the first 3 days, okay? Now you're going to get your inspections. Now your inspections are up to 15 days. Again, this is something you negotiate in the contract. You have up to 15 days. You hire the inspector to do the windmill or whatever the case may be, average around $600, right? How you pay the inspector is between you and the inspector, whether it's a credit card, check, cash, whatever. That's you and the inspection. Now, the bank will either have you pay for the appraisal right away, or the bank will put up the money for the appraisal and then charge you at closing. So that's between you and the bank. It's usually roughly around $500. Remember, I'm just using average numbers. So the appraisal can be right away. This is the big one that people get kind of thrown off by. Your down payment, which is 5%, and closing costs, which is averagely 3%. Let's say on this deal, 5% is $15,000 and 3% $9,000. You are not doing anything with that money till like a day or two before closing. You will have everything, the CD and all the papers and documents, you'll go through them all and they'll say, okay, we're ready to close. This is how much is due, right? Whether you have to add the survey if it needs a survey to be done and whatever the case may be. But your closing cost and your down payment will be in your document to say this is how much you have to wire over. And that is usually the day before or the morning of closing. Now, what you saw what I did here is I put the down payment and the closing all in one, right? And you have the escrow money in there, and they're gonna minus that escrow money because it's already there, and that's how much you would have due. Say, and again, this is just average. So the reason I wanted to do this video is to explain that from day one to finish, you're always doing different things with money, but the lump sum of it is not used right away. That is wired over the day before the day of closing. So I hope this makes you understand a little bit better. If there's any questions you have, please let me know. I'd love to help you guys with any real estate needs. And remember, this week we have an awesome event Sunday at the YMCA. Any questions, let me know. More education coming at you.